afternoon, everybody. As you can see, I'm back in Deb's kitchen and we're going to finish decluttering and packing up as much as possible and staging the rest of her kitchen. We just have under the sink cabinet and the corner cabinet and some of the drawers now. Of course, she's still got to keep some stuff that she's going to be using, but the rest is going to be packed and ready to go. So this corner cabinet has pots and pans and some little appliances in there. And under the sink has your typical garbage and compost and cleaning stuff. Not too much there. But anyway, I think we'll start in this cabinet first. She found something that she couldn't find because it was packed way in the back cupboard there. So this is one she wants to keep. And a little thermos thing, some more Pampered Chef stuff. And yeah, we're doing okay here for packing. Not too many boxes. And this is what she's keeping out. A couple of pots, a bake dish, and kettle and toaster. Okay, so we have almost got this box filled up pretty good. We've got a little bit of space here, and we've got some measuring cups and spoons, and I'm not sure what that is. Probably one of those can opener things, jar opener things. So those are going to go in that little space there. And Deb reminded me also, we still have to get the stuff out of the bottom drawer in the stove. I thought we were done, but nope. She put her frying pans in the oven because I guess she was short on cabinet space since she had all that food that she needs a pantry for in her new place. So anyway, some of this stuff we can pack away because she certainly won't need it all right now. There's all the cleaning stuff that is packed and ready to take with her to her new place, including the fire extinguisher. So there's hardly anything left in here, just the stuff she's going to be using. And I thought we were almost done, and then she said, hey, we haven't done this drawer yet. So that's your fault. That's your fault.
Sorry. Forgot about that drawer.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, so this is recycle, garbage, pack stuff to go, donate stuff, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes here to pack, and I think just 1 box of decluttering, but that's something anyway. And we're going to move this down to the garage if Bella lets us. Are you going to let us, Bella? She's ignoring me. Okay, that's what we're doing now. A few minor little changes for what was on here. And so Deb and her granddaughter cleaned off the chalkboard this last weekend. And that's all that's left there. On the countertops, almost everything, well, not almost everything, but a lot of things have been removed. We just have the hand soap here. We've got the coffee maker, the coffee stuff and sugar, cutting boards, paper towel, and air fryer over there. The other jars of stuff that were on the countertop are in there. So she's got her granola that she can eat. So she's, only got a few more days before she goes on a vacation. So I wanted to get this, at least the upstairs, all wrapped up, and she's got, I would say, I'd see 75% of everything packed that needs to go ahead of time. After all the real estate pictures are taken, she can start putting more stuff away that we've left out for staging here. Yeah, but I think it looks pretty cute. Yeah, and I think I mentioned in one of the earlier videos, one thing you can do, make sure that all your lights are the same in warmth. Like here we have a light one here and we have cool ones there. So technically I would say these should be changed out to the warmer light bulbs. So here we are. One last little look here. I really love the pops of red over here. And yeah, that's it for our kitchen declutter, pack, and staging to sell the house. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe because I would love to have you, and I will see you in the next one.